Hello traders, how are you all doing? So today guys, I wanted to show you the profitable trade that we took on the 23rd of October of 2025, which was the little bounce back that we had on gold after the downfall, and which we secured around 500 pips from 4,099 all the way to 4,150. And yeah, guys, so we saw the trend, the bullish trend. We took only the buy signals right here. We have those two which we ignore when it is green right here. So yeah, guys, that was our profitable trade. And tell me, guys, how are you seeing gold? Is it gonna go up again or fall even down further? So now we are on the 1 hour time frame, and it is still showing us that it is bearish right here. So we can see a movement, a bearish movement all the way here, or it could turn again into an uptrend. So all of these signals were profitable, this one and this one and this one so far. And yeah, guys, so that was it for today. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what do you think about gold these days. And see you in the next one.